Man, I'm so glad Valentine's Day is over. It is such a draining day. But now, though, we can get back to my first love. You know what I'm talking about, buddy.
The paint.
I hear you. Let's get the guys together and paint. Did you know like 90% of my viewers are women?
I know. Women. Every time I log into YouTube, that's all I see. But they are so freaking amazing, though. But we really need to show them what us guys can do.
So come join the guys as we paint. We promise it'll be a lot of fun. There's going to be some entertaining live chats, lots of colors, and definitely some interesting techniques. We may even have a giveaway or two. And obviously, dad jokes.
So join us. Come sit back, relax, and have some fun with us. I can guarantee that you'll have some fun, but I can't guarantee that someone won't be topless.
Topless? Me? Okay.
Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I am doing a swipe inspired by the wonderful Kathleen Osmore. She did a lot of black and white swipes recently, and I decided that I wanted to try to do something similar. Also a shout out to Dominik for getting me onto these wood rounds that I'm trying now. And yeah, I won't be doing much talking. I'll just play some music for you, and you can just enjoy it. I will say that as much as it was inspired by Kathleen's swipes, as you will see, the end result does not look anything like Kathleen's. Unfortunately, I was unhappy with the first result, so I added some more paint on it and swiped again, and it got much darker than I actually had wanted or intended. But I still think that it came out as a really great piece, so I'm still happy with it. But yeah, it did not end up looking like anything like Kathleen's beautiful pieces do. But still, I'm happy with it. So with that said, I think no, wait, I had to remind you. You probably already saw it in the intro. We have a collaboration this weekend with 11 artists, all guys. So it's a Pouring with the Fellas collaboration. We have called it After the Love Is Gone because this is after the Valentine's pours that a lot of people did last week or this week on Monday. And we decided to have the collaboration after because there were a lot of collaborations going on last weekend. So we decided to do it this weekend instead. So hope that you come and join us. Please look at all the channels. I'll be posting them in the description below. We start on Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is at, wait a minute, that's 8 p.m. Central European Time. And we have collaborations going on both on Saturdays and on Sundays. Sundays we start again at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be pouring on Sunday as the second to last. After me will be Gasser. And yeah, please do check out all the videos. I will put the links for all their channels in my description, as well as the lineup, the order. So please check it out. And with that said, I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll play a little music for you. Take care. Bye.